So let's balance this equation, but go ahead and stop the video and you count up each element on each side of the equation. So hopefully these are what you got. These are the numbers. And again, let's start where it's more complicated. Let's start in here. We could look at the oxygens first. I see 3 here and 1 here. I can easily change this to a 3, and now I have 3 oxygens. But I just messed up Na. So now I have 6 Na. Okay, so also notice how the Na is split up over here, so I'm going to kind of save that for the end if I can. And I'm going to go to this side where I have 2 N's. I'm going to change this to 2 N's by doing that. So now I have 2 N's on this side. But I just changed my Na. Now I have 2 here and 1 there, which makes a total of 3. And for oxygens, I just turned that into a 6. Well, so I can easily change this into a 6. So now I have 6 oxygens on both sides, but that just messed up Na. So now how many Nas do I have? I have 12. So I'm going to come over here. I've got 2 here. If I make this a 10, 10 and 2, I have 12 Na. So let's double check everything. So I have 10 and 2 is 12. I have 2 N's and I have 6 O's. On this side, I have 6 times 2. I have 12 Na's. I have 6 O's and I have 2 N's. So this equation is balanced.